Hey, what's going on? Welcome to another episode of Dare to Create with Diary the Creator. And in this video, we get to explore the masking technique in removing an animal from a black background. And we want to keep this nice and clean, which means we're going to take out our forks from the black background without chopping off the edges. In doing this, we're going to be using Photoshop and the Remove Background tool. And this is my first time using the Remove Background tool, so I'm excited about this and I'm curious to see what the result will look like. So let's get to it. And here we are in Photoshop. First thing I want to do is to click on the selection tool, and immediately that is done, you notice that there is a dialog box that is activated up there, and now I can select subject, and this does a decent job in selecting our image. So let's mask it to see our results. Nice try, Photoshop, but this is not gonna fly. We have to go back and handle this like a pro. So first we'll create a new solid color adjustment layer, and we could pick a green color for this. This works, and this is gonna be our new background. So we'll bring it down and give it a title. We'll also give our fox layer a title. Just keep everything tidy. Yep, we're done with labeling, so we'll go to select a mask. This is where we're gonna fix this like a pro. You notice our fox on the canvas disappears, but not to worry, we can fix that by clicking select subject. The fox is back, still choppy, but we're here to fix it. How about we click on refine hair? Let's see what happens. Okay, not much is done, but we can use the refine edge brush. Let's use that. So yeah, with the refine edge brush, we're just gonna click on the edges, to bring back some of these details that are lost, right? So we're just gonna dab around the fox, and this does quite a decent job in refining the edges of the subject. You can see it knocks off the black part and also brings back the fur. And yeah, I'm not gonna lie, this is still not the best result at the moment, but we are heading towards that. So Photoshop is doing great. It's a work in progress, so I can't skip the process. All right, now I think we're good. This is fine enough, so we'll create layer mask from this, and yeah, this is where the magic starts. So to bring back some of the details lost during the masking, I'll click on Alt or Option key if you're using a Mac. So I'll click on Alt and then I'll click on this masked area, and now we can see some of the part that I need to restore the details. So what I'll do here is to click on my brush and make the foreground white. What we want to do is to bring back this part, to reveal this part. So I'll just dab carefully. At the moment, I can't dab across the white area because that will reveal parts that I don't need to be revealed. So I'll just maintain this part and just click all over the fox and bring back some of these details that are lost. Yeah. For a better result, I'll just change the blend mode for the brush to overlay, and that would help me when I'm clicking away. It's only gonna affect the subject itself. So yeah, the concept only affects the white part, as you can see, and this does a good job in restoring the details that were lost in masking. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So once again, we'll continue to apply the brush to the edges until we're satisfied with what we have, and I think this is good. So yeah, we're almost there. Just some final touch up with the brush at the edge. So we're gonna apply the brush across the edge of this, and also some spots that we feel were not revealed. There are some details that are lost. We're gonna bring that back because I can see clearly now. So I'll just apply my brush across. All right. The idea is to get it to be perfect as we can. I know it might not be 100%, but if we have like 80 to 90%, or probably 95, and that's good. So All right, now this is looking good. This is pretty decent. Photoshop has done quite a decent job, but just one thing, I need the edges to be brighter. So a quick fix for this is to convert the layer blend mode into screen, and once that is done, I'll just duplicate this a couple of times. And for the top layer, I'll change that to normal, and you can see what we have here. It's looking good. But one last thing I would like to do is to just group the top layer, and then I can mask the edges of the top layer. So I'll group that and then mask this part. This time around, in masking this, I'll set my blend mode for the brush to multiply, and that's gonna make the edges bright and not dark. Yeah, that's it. I think it kind of works. I like this already. And I think we're done. Right, let's change the color of the background so you can see our subject on different backgrounds, and this works fine. Great. Yep, that's it guys. Photoshop did a decent job considering the amount of details we were able to get back in. Everything looks good and it looks clean. And now it's time to try out the Remove BG tool. I've never used this before, so I'm gonna go on the website right now. Alright, so I'll upload our image. Yes, this is it, and let's see. Uploading. This takes a minute. Oh, wait a minute. It took off the background already. It took off the background already. Okay, this is looking interesting. Let's edit it. Oh, it's giving us options, but this is not, like, I don't need this. Okay, all right, let's see if we can still erase something. Oh, now that's what I'm talking about. All right, I guess I'll have to apply this to this part because it's not nice. Okay. Whoa, oh my goodness. Whoa, what? How? This is magic. Oh my goodness. Nice. I think I love this already. I love this already. Makes sense. I just have to keep the brush going round the edges, and that's it. Wow. Wow. And we did this in like how many minutes? Whoa. Gee. I feel like I'm the last designer using this tool. Wow. Now, all right, I'll just keep doing this over and over and over. I won't stop. I'm trying to get the best results, but I think we're good with this, so yeah. Let's just download this. I think looking at this right now, I think Photoshop still did a better job, but considering the time it took to fix this in the Remove BG background, I think it really works. It really does a great job too. So yeah, it depends on the type of client and the type of job. If I probably have a print job, high resolution and all that, Photoshop gives me that flexibility. I'm able to customize and work the way I really want. But if it is just for a quick fix for internet, for a social media platform, then I think the Remove background works perfectly for that too. So it depends on whatever you want, really. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found something interesting, and if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel. My name is Dare the Creator, and until next time, peace.